Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you exactly how to fix that frustrating something went wrong error on Google Gemini. In 2026, this is usually caused by a stuck account session or corrupted data rather than just a bad connection. So let's get right into the fixes. First, you should start with the most basic solutions to rule out a simple glitch. Try a hard refresh of the page using Ctrl plus Shift plus R on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus R on a Mac. If you are on the mobile app, fully close it and reopen it. If the error is only happening in one specific conversation, it might be that the thread has become too long or corrupted. In that case, simply click New Chat to see if a fresh start clears the error immediately. Next, you need to dive into some advanced troubleshooting if the basic refresh fails. Clear your browser's cache and cookies specifically for gemini.google.com, then sign back in. If you suspect the browser extension might be interfering, try opening Gemini in an incognito or private window. A pro tip for 2026 is the Force Account Refresh. Go to your Google account personal info, edit your name, retype it, and hit save. This tiny action forces Google to update your metadata across all their services, which often unblocks stuck accounts. Then you should try resetting your Gemini activity on the back end. Go to your Gemini app's activity settings and toggle the switch to off. Wait about 60 seconds and then toggle it back on. This acts like a power cycle for your AI history and can clear hidden back-end flags. If you are an Android user on a Samsung or Pixel device, you can also go to Settings, then Apps, Show Your System Apps, find AI Core, and select Uninstall Updates to fix app-specific crashes. Finally, verify if the problem is actually on your end or if there is a widespread outage. Check the Google Workspace Status Dashboard or sites like Down Detector to see if other users are reporting similar issues. If there's a major server problem, the only real fix is to wait for Google's engineers to handle it. If the service is up but you are still getting the error, try switching from your Wi-Fi to mobile data to see if your network security settings are blocking the AI's response. And that is it. One of these steps is almost guaranteed to get your AI back online. If this troubleshooting guide helped you fix Gemini today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2026 tech and AI tutorials. See you in the next one.